installing and launching Archi. So this is this one which I have highlighted within our mind map. This is the Archi, the blank, the user interface after we installed. So let's go to the user guide. So installing, so download the required version from here. So this one is if you go to the archimate2.com, is you can click this download. There's a three part is Archi and Archi plugin. We may talk some plugins later on, and I may also mention that in the beyond user guide part with some user this community contributed plugin. And also time to time is Archi may have certain beta if there's some new versions to be tested by the community. You are also welcome to join the beta test if you have interest. And normally is you go to this Archi and then this you will get the latest version. Now this 560 is directly match our user guide is released at May 12, 2025, 5th. If you want to download the older version, is you may have this one. So you can see so from 5x, and even you can get 4.10, the 4.9, the oldest one is the 4.6. You can try some earlier version, but just be aware of is if you are also working some plugin installed is read the documentation from plugin. So they may have some notices which this oldest Archi is supported. So my suggestion is you just always try this latest stable version. And right click here is you can also read the version history. That is very informative, especially is the first part is new and improvements. And then the fix is interesting is if you are familiar and regularly is go around the Archi's forum, you may time to time find is some discussion in the forum is quickly is get some fix in the newer version. So the team is very active, and you can now is a 560 is maybe release 561 quickly is with some minor fix. That is like here. So after 5.4, you can see September we have 5.4 on 3rd, and just 8 days is a fixed release was released, and then there's another 8 days is some new features keep adding. So those are the this item is I would like that you may regularly check on the Archi's website to get the latest version. You can either join the forum or it's also from the pattern, so you can support the Archi development team, so that is you also get some more beta information. Come to the installing is that there's a 5 different the package. First two are the Windows package. One is the installer, another is the portable, or sometimes we call that is the green package, just a zip file. And there's a two, the Mac OS is one for Intel OS, one for Silicon OS for the different versions. So recent OS is you can also choose which one. I'm using Windows, so I just mentioned that is you can download the Mac version, then install that is just a DMG. So I hope is if you are using Macintosh, you are familiar with DMG. Double click that is and you can have that Archi app extracted and drag that into the application folder. Then you can start to double click Archi to run that. Linux is the same. So is not specific for any this Linux distribution, but just note is some distribution default to using VLAN. There may be some user interface problem with Archi and VLAN. So you could try Archi in Linux with X window. So X11 or Xorg are fully okay. So you just download that package and unzip. So I will not take time to download here as I already did that right after the release date. And you can see here is the 2DMG, these are the TZZ. So if you open that Linux one, so that is the also have a Linux execution file. So that is for Linux, and for Windows is one is this the setup version. So that is our exe. So double click that is the installer. So you can just follow the steps. Second one is this ZIP. So if you use ZIP, so you don't need to install those into your programming file. Then that is just you can extract that to any folder and that is able to work. That is the difference compared to the installer is once you use the installer, which is normally is I am doing that, is the program file after I think it's from the 5.5. The program file is installed on the Archi folder in under program files folder. So if you come to the Archi folder, you may find this archi.exe. And if you install the plugin, it may come to here. So for example, is I think it's I have the repo plugin and so launcher. So do I have any other plugin? So putting here. So let me just look at the Archi is the I think is we have our Archi repository plugin. So model import this one. These are CSV plugin. These are the repo. And let me search repository. So here is the repository jar. So that is one. I think it's some the plugin is may not be directly put in here, and that is the plugin folder. Here is the P2 folder. JRE is Archi embedded RGRE, Java Runtime Environment. Some documents is you can also find the user guide from this installing. You don't need to come to website; it's already here. And also here is the 5.6 with the late earlier. So even coming from the 0.7 from 2010, all the changelog you can find from this file. No issue. So it's some issues trying to launch. You may see a dialog pod is error is occurred. So some are the no issue not yet fixed. So that is just leave on that. Features configuration, that is some Java the parts. And then the if you install finish this in Windows, you come to user, come to your account. Then here you may go to the documents. On here is this your repository will be installed here. If you are using the JR the Coarchi, so repository is here, and also the Jasper repo will be exported here, as well as this if you have the download, collected, sample, the this script, so they are also stay here. So and you can also is treat this as our plain folder is to edit that at your wish. And if you add our AJS file here, you will see that script also in this the Archi the environment. So which one is that is the okay is then that is I'm putting this as the installing. After installing, so let's say launching. So quickly is if you just open Archie, so close. Uh, Let me close that. Is click this Archi. So you will get this pop-up, and later on it will see the version. So after this version, this Archi will be popping up. So now the version is here, and then this you can see what are the detail, the Archi environment. So if I'm moving that here, so you can see this is the default Archi is exactly like here. So we have this as the code model, and here some the tabs, here some tabs, and here is our blank window. So the workspace is divided into those sub window. So model window property is here, outline here, navigation here, palettes. Palette is if you don't have our new model, you don't see the palettes, but we will have separate section to talk about the palette and the visualizer, hint, validator. So, and also it's because I have the coarchi, so I have several plugin already. So jarchi, Excel for Archi, coarchi, Lightbox. So that is some tab. If you don't install those different plugin, you may not see this one. You may not see the Lightbox. You may not see those those kind of the icons. That's fine. So it's just we are familiar with some basic interface. Then this we are going to work on the vanilla Archi first. And here is the numbers of those the icons, and you can if you change that, like is you change and you drag, put that is to the different layouts. So you can do like that. Is always is you can come to window to see reset windows this the layout reset perspective, then it's back to the original one. But original one also including some the icons that you installed by yourself. So you can hide and show the main toolbar. So you can see here. So the toolbar is here, hide toolbar. So then that will be hide. You can show toolbar. Then it's a show and the navigation. So with that is you can have if you see that then no matter which operating system, that means you download and install the Archi correctly. So congratulations for finish this. The next video is we are starting to move to next chapter working in Archi. See you. Bye.